Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare a delicious latte macchiato with your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Colors. Adjust the drip tray to the low position. Place your cup. To prepare a latte macchiato, you will need 2 capsules. Start with the milk capsule. On this capsule, we recommend selecting the 5th bar with a selection wheel, or adjust to your taste. Lift the locking handle. Place the milk capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Once the milk flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green and the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Open the capsule holder. Tip the capsule into a bin. Continue with the coffee capsule. On this capsule, we recommend selecting the 2nd bar with a selection wheel, or adjust to your taste. Place the coffee capsule in the capsule holder. Move the lever to the hot position. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green and the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Open the capsule holder. Tip the capsule into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it! Enjoy your spectacular and voluptuous latte macchiato. With NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.